and every person is unique.
Trees represent diversity.
The trunk is our house.
The more that every tree is different, the more other people can place how they think of themselves on that tree.
The branches is our friend.
If someone walks in, they're just kind of like now.
They get welcomed with open arms. What makes me feel welcome is my teachers and my friends because they always hang out with me. They call you and then you always hang out with them and that's how you know.
And the little branches on the branches are us.
My friends used to come sit with me at lunch, let's do math.
And it was so amazing, like so much circles and like craftsmanship from everybody. It was so beautiful. It represented all of us.
Together, let's do homework together.
All my friends are really nice and all the teachers really helped me. Hilltop is just a really welcoming place.
And we're like all connected to our family and our friends.
Different